Alexa, play old school jams playlist.
Here's a playlist for you. Throwback Vibes on Amazon Music.
YouTube, what's good? Okay, I got an idea. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of people asking me how to grow their page, or how to get more followers, or how to get more clients, or using social media. Today I'm going to talk about Instagram and what I do to get more followers. I did just hit 10K and it's at 10.5 now. My YouTube has been growing too. But basically, I'm gonna just be talking about what content you should be making, what you should be posting, when you should post, stuff like that. Hopefully this video help y'all. I really do. But I'm thinking about starting like a class or something, teaching people how to grow their social media. So yeah, I know y'all might be looking at me like, bruh, 10,000 followers is nothing. But hey, I found a way to grow it. My stuff been growing pretty fast. Okay, so tell y'all what I do and what I've been doing to grow my social media. It's your boy Wavykid KF. Let's get right into it.
Full flag.
Alright you guys, so first thing we're going to talk about is hashtags, okay? Let me fix my mustache. Alright, so whether you post a picture, a video, a reel, or an IGTV video, you want to have hashtags, okay? So I'm going to show you the app that I use. This is the app that I use right here, Hashtag Expert. I do have the premium version. I think it's like 99 cents or like $1. Let's just say I posted a haircut. Let's just say I did a high taper, okay? So the first thing I would type in, I'll make sure that it has Instagram because that's what I'm posting. And it'll be, okay, y'all see some of the hashtags will pop up. Then you can just copy and paste and add it to your post, okay? Now I do this with my pictures, my videos, my reels, all of that. You want to make sure you do have hashtags because people follow hashtags on Instagram. People look up hashtags on Instagram. And that's just one way to get your work out there. So my mom is sending me to go do something. To get her something to drink with her food. But the next thing I wanted to tell y'all is Reels, okay? Reels is the best way right now on Instagram to gain followers and attention to your page. And the thing is, the reason why Reels is the best thing to do right now on Instagram is because the attention span of a lot of people now is really short. They watch Reels for like 30 seconds, then they scroll by it. They watch Reels and they scroll by it. But Reels pop up more in people's feed. You use certain hashtag and it gets shown to a lot more people versus if you just like post a video. It's not going to show as many people as Reels because Instagram know that the attention span is real short right now, and it's going to show them short video that either is dope content, has high quality, is funny, or something like along the lines of that. So just make sure your content is, you know what I'm saying, it don't have to be high quality, as long as it's something that is relatable, is funny, or something that people like to watch. Or if you as a viewer would sit there and watch it for like 30 seconds, then you know that they gonna watch it. Don't put no boring stuff out because nobody gonna watch it. Instagram not gonna show nobody. So that's why when you see a lot of my haircut reels, it either be me just showing my work. A lot of people like watching people cut hair and like in real time, or it be crazy edits. Either one or the other. It's not no in between. I might throw in the ASMR in there sometimes. Yeah, so just do a lot of reels. Use your hashtags and just make it something to where they look at it, they're gonna sit there and watch it for 30 seconds or a minute of their time, okay? So Reels, that's the next one. Alright, YouTube, we back in the house. Okay, I'm finna show y'all. Hold on, let me change this light. Alright, hopefully we look better. Oh, like this. Hold on. Hey, this should look good. Alright, but listen. So I'm finna show y'all the numbers I've been getting on Instagram. Okay, you can see that I'm at 10K, 10.5K. I'm finna show y'all my professional dashboard. You can see the number of accounts that I reached in the last 28 days, which is 941K. So if I press see all, now I could change it to the last 90 days and update it. So this is how many accounts I reached in the last 90 days, okay? And it tell you where the content you got from, and most of them is reels. And then these are the lives. But I did 42 reels in the last 92 days. I'm gonna show you my reel views. To me, any reel that gets more views than followers that you have is a successful reel to me, because that means it showed it to people that's not following you. Any reel that you do that gets more than followers that you have is a good reel. You can see I cannot believe all my reels have the hashtags on them. They all have different hashtags, so it's not as hard as you think. You just gotta stay consistent, post your work, post good content, relatable content that people are gonna watch, content that's gonna make them want to see some more of your content. That should be good, okay? But those are 3 things that I got to say. If I do start a class, I will tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, you will have to pay for it. I don't know how much it'll cost, but hopefully it'll be worth it, and I can show y'all my Instagram to go off of. But we're gonna see how much my Instagram grow this year. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see next. But it's your boy Wavykid Kev. Follow me on Instagram, alright, at Wavykid_Kev. And I'm out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Wavykid Kev, I'm out. Deuces.
Faux flag.